Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to guys come on this website gigabyte.com. Okay, this is official website, so you can download the driver, and after that you can see this is search button. Just click on it and then hit the enter the model number of your required the driver H510M HV2 and then hit enter. Then click on name of the title. So then click on support. Then select your operating system, which is Windows 10, 11, which is you require. And if you are using Windows 10, so you can install driver because installations process same of Windows 10 and 11. Audio driver, you click to download. You can see this is size, this is download button. When you click to download, it will start downloading. It is completed. Just single click to open. Then double click to open, then find out the setup exe. You can see this, and then click on yes and then okay. So when you run setup.exe like that, after that ask yes and no for the ask for administrator rights. Okay, after that you click on then next to install. It will error coming because some motherboard parts of like that. So if you use this motherboard, didn't come this issue. And then next install and then close it. Chipset. So first Intel serial driver and download. After completed, just single click to open and double click to launch and find out setup serial.exe, and then click on yes. This is required the administrator rights to install. Now that will come the error, so we this motherboard issue. So then next to install and then finish it. LAN driver. So this is LAN driver. Click to download. It will start downloaded. So just single click to open and then again open it. This is exe, so double click on it, then click to yes. Now this is extract to install. Okay, then install that and then next. So it is completed. And then close, then okay. Then VG driver. Intel graphic card driver, and you can see this is download. When you click to download, it will start downloading like that. I already downloaded. You can see this 241 size, and just open and double click to exe. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting.
नहीं मेरी
Thank you. Again, this is now this is installing. It will take some time to close and then restart your system. So like that, then restart your system.